What's up? I'm Tanveer Khan. Today I'm going to teach you how to connect a Bluetooth in Honda HFT car. So here's the set, you can see. So press on this and then click on device and then scroll down the button and then click on the add device. Okay, so you can see the option yes and no. So we have to press on yes. Okay, so press on yes. So now we have to come on the mobile. You can see pen Bluetooth and then it's gonna wait for Honda HFT. You can see here Honda HFT. Okay, so it's connecting. It's taking too much time now, bro. Yes, Honda HFT connect. So one of the important thing after connection, okay, we have to press on media button like this. Now it's connected. Okay, now we are going to listen a song, and now I'm going to listen to Machayenge. It's my favorite, one of the favorite song. It's okay, Machayenge maybe. फिर से Machayenge. Wow, I like it. You can. Okay guys, hope you all understand. So please like my video and share it and press the bell icon as much as you can. Okay, bye bye.